Hey, if you are using Xiaomi Buds 5 but left or the right one stops working or for example stops charging, then let me show you how you can fix this. First of all, I will highly recommend you to open the Bluetooth settings on your device and disconnect and unpair this device, just like this. Right now, be sure that you also switch off Bluetooth on your device, and you will have to place both earbuds inside the case, close this case, and now recharge them for like 20 to 30 minutes. When you finish with this charging, open this case. Now, you will have to take a look right here on this small button, and you will have to click and hold this small button until this indicator on the front. First, it will start blinking like this, white, but after we hold it a little bit longer, it will start blinking red, just like this. And we have to keep holding this button all the time until this turns into the white again. There we go. Now you can release. And the reset process is actually finished. We just bring back all the default settings. So now on your device, turn on Bluetooth back and simply try to connect them one more time. There we go. As you can see, in my case, it's working right now, and you can simply input left and the right one inside your ears and check if it's actually fixed. Thanks for watching.